Hello students, so this is your EVS class and we are going to start the topic types of force. This is of unit B tier 2. Okay, so let us understand the types of force. So first type of force is force of gravity or gravitational force. Right? Okay. So what is, suppose, let us take the example of a ball. Okay. Suppose this is a ball. Okay. Now you are throwing this ball in upward direction. Okay. So what do you think? This ball will fly away or it will come down to the ground? Yes. Correct. This ball will come down on the ground. Why? Because of gravity. Because of gravity. Right? Yes. So, basically, gravity is the force that pulls all objects towards the center of the earth. Okay? Gravity is what? Which force the objects towards the earth. Okay? Any object which is forced by gravity towards the earth, that is called the force of gravity or gravitational force. Okay? In this ball, one example, whatever the example I have given you of the ball, yes, so the ball example is the force that is pulling the ball down the ground is called the gravitational force. Okay? Okay, so now the gravity of moon is 1/6 of earth, which means you can jump more higher on moon than earth. Okay? You can jump more higher on moon than earth. Is it clear? Sir Isaac Newton, a young English scientist who was the one who found the concept of gravity. One day, what happened? He was sitting on a bench under a apple tree. Okay, so an apple fell from a tree to the ground. Okay, so this scientist, Sir Isaac Newton, he was thinking that how come this apple fell down from the tree. So he researched on this and then he gave the name of this force a gravity. He understood the concept of gravity, that everything present on the earth has gravity, and Sir Isaac Newton named this a theory, a force that attracts every object. Okay, now not only the earth exerts the force, but every object exerts the force. Okay, all the objects exerts the force and attracts each other. Okay, not only the earth is the one who exerts the force or the gravity, but all the objects present on the earth, they exerts the force and each and every object attracts to the other object. Is it clear? So students, that's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me and clear your doubts. Till then, read the pages.